welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Corey Spencer, and I led a whole trail of bread to the birds, and they're already eating all of it. So it's going to be so cool. We're at Bark and Bean right now. Bark and Bean. Look at all the birds, whole trail. Look at all the birds, they're coming after the food. It's so cool. Look at that bird, it's walking around. Well, all the seeds go all the way. Never to be on camera, but I'm not. Back down in the comments if you think it's cool, but look at the bird. Look at it. It's just eating. It's literally just eating and it's running away from me. I'm gonna chase it. See what it does, guys. Bro, there's so much. Look at all of this. All of that, the birds are all coming. They're literally all coming. I'm gonna have another video today. If you want to see it, it's gonna be posted after I eat my breakfast. This is my crumbs on my breakfast. And all the birds love it. Look at all the birds. They're running away from me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. All of the seeds I put over there is my family. You gotta zoom in. There it is. And that's how I got all my crumbs and my spare food. If you like this video, please comment and leave a like if you like, if you want to. You don't have to. But this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. A whole trail. It's a whole trail trying to lead them exactly to my family. Exactly to my family. Bye guys. See you in my next video.